Hi, I'm Chloe and this is Curator's Corner, a series of short videos that explores digital art with MoCDA. Today, I'm going to discuss a piece by systems artist and designer Cullen Miller. His art centers on music or text with emphasis on the immaterial. In Claves Angelicae, Miller connects the relationship between cryptography and magic through writing, allowing the audience to encrypt their own word onto the Ethereum blockchain. Once a participant has completed the 7-step process and the transaction has been made, an automated drawing is created and drawn by a mechanical arm as a talisman to mark the event. This piece holds a certain duality, being both intimate and public, in which the audience is provided with an opportunity to delve deeper into themselves, within a kind of ritual, whilst utilizing and contributing to a public, consensus-driven network. The use of text, spoken word, and gesture reaffirms the connection between the individual and the machine, creating a dialogue of the self with the larger network. Aesthetically, the physical talisman provides a neutral yet stark representation of each individual event through two-dimensional line and shape. Its clarity holds a sense of timelessness that asserts its place in history whilst contributing to a larger community through blockchain and donations to charity. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more Curator's Corner videos on MoCDA.